It's the entryway to the house. This is the guest bathroom here. The pipe will go through the wall here into the linen closet and into the guest bathroom, the guest bedroom closet. It's gonna take a straight shot through the living room, through the garage here, and it's gonna join into the garage. It's the kitchen. You're gonna have to replace the cast iron stack in this wall, and the pipe is gonna run this way through the pantry, through the pantry floor there, to the trap behind the wash machine, to this point, and it's going to meet here, and this is the continuation of the pipe through the garage wall from the living room. Okay, that pipe is going to come from the living room through the garage, straight out the garage door here, and it's going to end right here. Master bath. The pipe is going to come through the wall here. Now, the shower and the stool are going to have to be taken out, and they're going to have to trench here, pull that pipe, and then the pipe is going to go through the master bedroom wall, straight through into the guest bedroom wall, continue through the guest bedroom wall, right into this wall where it meets in front of the linen closet. And then this is the back wall, the closet for the guest bathroom.